Oh, baby.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, yeah, scrub away. Scrub away.
I love cleaning. Brings me so much joy.
Sounds terrible. Cleaning is my actual nightmare.
Jeff and I are gonna be cleaning this whole kitchen.
Did you see how happy she was about that? You're sick.
Clean. I'll be using this.
I will be using this. I'm obviously
gonna win.
Oh my God. Come on, this is a stubborn one.
You are having some trouble over there, it seems.
Oh,
Look how clean that is. Clean as a baby's bottom.
Is that clean?
oh. Your long arms have nothing on me.
I'm not even scrubbing.
Oh, baby. Look at this grime.
This is where the magic happens.
Nice work.
Yes!
Okay, relax. It was a draw. You didn't win it. Like one point where I thought you were just meditating. This is your peaceful place. It's actually weird.